phone की battery drain हो जाना is a big problem, isn't it? But don't worry, there are some hacks you can use to extend that battery life. So, let's explore them. Let's start with the most simple hack. Adjusting your screen brightness can make a significant difference in your phone's battery life. You can also set your phone to auto brightness, allowing it to automatically adjust based on the surrounding light conditions. This way, you can optimize battery use without sacrificing visibility. Decrease the screen timeout duration in your display settings. The screen timeout settings determines how long your display stays active when you're not using your phone. By reducing this duration, you ensure that your screen turns off quickly when idle, which helps save battery. For example, if your current timeout is set to 2 minutes, consider reducing it to 30 seconds or 15 seconds. Turn on battery saver mode in your phone to extend your phone's battery life. This feature adjusts various settings to minimize battery consumption, ensuring your device lasts longer. Enabling this mode is especially helpful during long days when you might not have access to a charger. You can choose between standard battery saver and extreme battery saver mode. In case of extreme battery saver mode, the non-essential apps and their notification will also be paused. You might not have noticed, but notifications also drain your phone's battery. Frequent alerts keep waking your screen and drain power. Limiting notifications is an effective way to save battery life. By managing your notification settings, you can choose which app truly needs to alert you. Using location services only when necessary is a good way to extend your phone's battery life. To manage this, you can adjust your location settings to allow access only when you actively use the app. You might set an app to access your location while using the app instead of always. Hope these tips are helpful for you. To know about more such tips and hacks, stay tuned to Gadgets 360.